Hey everybody, Blaise here. I am back and I want to show you some more hand-drawn animation. Now, I've been an animator for 35 years. 21 of those years was at Walt Disney Feature Animation, where I worked on a whole bunch of movies that a lot of you guys probably grew up with, like Lion King, the Beauty and the Beast, Pocahontas, Aladdin, Mulan. I directed Brother Bear. And there's some basic stuff in animation that I want to show you that you can do by hand. The first thing is, how do you do a walk cycle? How do you do a character walking? Well, let me show you. Let's jump to my desk. Now, we used to do this all on paper. I'm going to show you now in TV Paint. This is the software that I use, and I draw right on my screen. And I'm going to show you right now, first thing we have to do is find our key poses. Here's a key pose. Okay, so what I've done is I've just finished up my first two key poses. Now, why are they keys? If I flip back and forth between these two, they look basically like the same drawing, don't they? But they're actually key poses, and they're the opposite poses, 1 foot forward, the other foot forward. And this is the high point of the walk. He's walking along, and you have to hit a high point and then a low point. And these are keys that I want to hit, and then I fill in the points in between to smooth out the action. So now I'm going to get to the next part, which is the foot stretched out. Let's go to that one. Okay, so I've done my next keys, and these are the keys where the foot comes furthest out. See where the leg is coming out? But you'll also notice we start to drop. Notice how that's the high, this is the highest point, but now we're dropping back down. This is the extreme. This is the key right here for the legs, but we're starting to drop from our high point right there. The other thing I want you to notice is, notice how the arms are completely opposite of the legs, so they work opposite of each other like that. Let's go on to the next key. Okay, so now I've got my third set of key poses, and this is our lowest point right here, right when our foot is underneath us and we're squashing before we push to get that next step, okay? So if we play these 6 drawings that we've done, remember we've done 3 separate sets of keys, 1 for each stride, okay? If we play these, now this is gonna be exaggerated because we do it for animation, we caricature, we push. And so in this, I'm gonna play it where each drawing is being held for 4 frames, and you're gonna see the basic framework for the walk. Watch. So there's the basic framework. These are the key drawings. Now what I need to do is put the in-between drawings in, and that's going to add all the little overlap and all the little smoothness and all the little things that will go to smooth out this walk. So let's go ahead and finish it up. Okay, so I've got all the in-betweens in here, all the drawings to smooth it all out. And it comes, you know, once again, I want you to remember it's exaggerated, it's pushed, but I think it's kind of cool. And if you watch him walk, it's nice and smooth. We got some nice up and down in there, and I've just kind of exaggerated everything because I want you guys to see, you know, where you can push things. Now we can also speed this up to a little bit more of a walk with some intent. So if I stop this and go from 24 frames per second, which is what I've been animating in, I can play it back at 30 frames per second. And you can see now it's got a little bit more of a better pace. It's a little quicker pace. So you can play with things like that. But this is how you do a walk hand-drawn. It's a lot of fun. I'm going to be coming around and doing more of these, so stick around. I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.